Three times. Okay.
One. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Two. Not bad. Three. Oh, and also, this is the beginning of our new house right here. So, here's my dad. Right here, you can see picking up some sand. And then, guess what is he doing? He is putting it on the ground. And yes, also, he's putting some dhoops right here. Yes, right here. And it will look like this. It has many dhoops right here and a little sand which is above it. Oh, and here's my dad collecting something. Oh, yes. And here's my dad putting some sweet like flowers right here. And also, this is the beginning of our new house. And you will be in the garden. Yes. And now, my dad's praying right here near the dhoops and the sand. Yes. He's done praying. Now he's going to teach.